Hello, good morning.
Good
Hello,
morning.
Anita. Hi, Geeta.
Good
Great to see
morning.
you from Mumbai and
Hi
Anita from
Shabvi, hi
Dubai
Geeta, good morning.
to a gift live. And I think we are getting addicted to this.
Yes,
We just had a sports theme last week.
Good
Today,
addiction.
yes.
teachers, the wonderful gifts that we've made for teachers. Uh, Teachers have had a very important uh, role in our lives, and teachers or gurus. And here is one of them saying hello to us as usual, dedicated. Thank you so much, Lakshmi,
Yeah.
for being a wonderful teacher and for being a wonderful friend of Sewer Gift. And I can safely say that one of the reasons we started Sewer Gift was so that we could help you with some gifts which otherwise you would not have been able to order if it was not a business. So thank you so much for being there. Let me quickly run through the agenda for today. We are going to look at the different gifts that we've made for teachers and for gurus, which includes that means whether they were a music guru or dance guru and things like that. And we are going to have, in fact, early on into the session today, we are going to have a wonderful friend of Sewer Gift, Sajita, who's I think been a friend of Sewer Gift from the very beginning since we started. And I'm going to ask her this why she chose Sewer Gift. And I'm going to, she's all ready and animated and ready to be with us. So thank you so much. Let me just quickly show a small presentation as we go on, and we'll go through the motions of talking about each of the gifts. I'm just sharing my screen here. And this is, yes. So I have, this is our first, the partners in creativity. As I keep saying, we didn't want to call ourselves partners in crime. So we are partners in creativity. And Anita, Geeta, and Shambhavi. We also have our hashtag as pick sewer gift, which means pick sewer gift or partners in creativity sewer gift or choose sewer gift. Bags for teachers. I'm inviting Geeta Vasudevan from Mumbai to talk about these bags which she had made. And at this point, before Geeta, you start, I want to tell people and our audience that we have a company, Sewer Gift LLP, which is a registered organization in India. And we are doing it under a business banner. So it is not just a homegrown concern from a hobby. This has become a business and it is a professional what should I say, a professional organization. So we try to keep everything as professional as possible. Thank you so much. Geeta, please, can you continue and talk
Yeah,
about this?
sure. Now, my sister is a teacher, so she wanted bags. And here in Bombay, also they have now stopped all the plastic bags and all those things. Teachers usually have lots of things to carry when they have to go to school. So a
Sorry,
bag is a must.
little louder, please, Geeta. Little
Sorry?
louder. Little
Yeah.
loud, please.
Okay,
Yeah.
so a bag is a must. So now, when she said she wants bag, I made some bags, and it had some compartments also. But she used it in such a way. I was really very very happy to see the way she's used it. For teachers, bag is an Akshay Patra. You can see lots of things in it coming out, from this pocket, from that pocket. But the main important thing is the right thing should come at the right time. So organization is very, very important. So we made these compartments also into the bag, and she started keeping test papers on one slot, the other one corrected papers. The one other slot she put the notebooks, and she was so happy with the bag. The bag had a lot of things to carry. The bag could carry a lot of things, plus the water bottle, which is a must. So she really loved it. Her friends also loved it. And this was a very, very nice experience making bags for teachers. And I usually say teachers have lots of creativity, and they come up with lots of ideas themselves, and they can do anything with it.
So I can safely say that you yourself,
You are
having
a
been a
teacher.
teacher for so many years, you were so excited about it that the bag was used in such a nice way, which is always a very good feedback for us because we have been promoting this only as grocery bags, the partition ones, the
Yes,
tote bags, the normal bags people have asked. But it's really
yes,
wonderful that we had an opportunity for establishing a new use for it, which is also our purpose. Is utility is very, very important for us in Sewer Gift. So I'm going to now request just for a second. I'm going to stop sharing my screen now, and I'm going to invite our guest today early on, which is who is Sajita. And Anita, I'm going to request you to lead this conversation with Sajita, all right?
Okay. Friend, welcome,
Hi.
Sajita.
Hi, good morning.
Neighbors first, then friends, close friends, almost family now. That's what Sajita is to me. So when we started Sewer Gift, friends helped each other, and Sajita was always there, be it any occasion. Like, she was always there, ready with her order. I need this, that. So, that's how, like, she's been kind of encouraging us to come up with more creative stuff all the time, and always been supportive towards our business. So welcome, Sajita, and thanks in advance. And we'll keep thanking you all the way. Like,
Thank you. Yeah. So thank you so much for inviting me to this Facebook Live. It is my first experience, and I'm really honored that you thought of calling me. All three of you doing a very, very great job. And it's indeed amazing to be a part of this conversation here today. Thank you.
Thank you, Sajita. So let me just, before we start sharing what we've made for you and what you have to say about Sewer Gift in particular, tell me something about when Anita mentioned to you that we are going to start Sewer Gift. I'm sure she must have discussed with you before we actually started or after we started. What was it actually which encouraged you to think that Sewer Gift would be a right platform for you to choose your gifts?
Okay, let me be very honest here. For me, Sewer Gift is Anita. Okay, I'm no offense to anybody else. no offense to both of you, please. Because Anita, I know Sewer Gift through Anita. So being my neighbor, I've seen her like daily for the past 11 years, except for the past 2 years, where she moved out to the other building. But otherwise, I used to see her day in, day out, till any time of the day I could go to her. So that was my relation with Anita. So when she is starting something of her own, and collaborating with two very empowered women, so it was there was no doubt. I didn't have any doubt whether I need to go to you for any gifting purpose. And what else I would say is disturbance. Okay, you can hear me, right?
Yeah, but a little louder, please.
Okay. So there's this, first and foremost, I would say the plus point of Sewer Gift is you get customized gifts. So that was a main plus point for me, as in you could get your name soon, or you could write, you could have your own shade. Suppose you don't like a red, you want a pink, or you don't want dark colors, you want light colors. All that is possible through Sewer Gift. So customized gift, the idea of customized gift, I wasn't familiar with that before. So it is Sewer Gift who gave me the window to that, to making customized gifts. And I've used it a lot in my profession, where I used to gift my friends and colleagues, and also for my children's teachers. A lot of that.
I'm sorry to interrupt you. I'm going to share a screen here, and you'll be able to see some of the gifts that we made for you, and you could probably comment on it as we go through the sharing. All right. So let me just. Sajita, talk about this. I think this was probably the first gift that was made.
Yeah, I just want to show it also. I have the
wonderful
as I would say, hard copy. I have it here. This is the first gift, and this has got my both my kids' names here. If you can see, Nidhi and Siddhi.
Okay.
Yeah, that's my two kids, and one is a red and the other is a blue. And actually, my children chose the fabric. Anita had the fabric with her, and my children chose it for them. And they use it as a bedside organizer. It's amazing.
All right. Great. So bedside organizer is something which you can just tuck in inside the mattress, and it hangs down below. It is very useful for children to be reading a book and just push it inside. And it is useful for senior citizens also to keep their specs or keep their
Remote, mobile,
their
water bottle.
anything which they need immediately when they get up. It is a great, the bedside organizer was always an idea to help. Also, when people are traveling, if they are going to some other places, to hotels or to even to their relatives' homes, they want a place to keep their things. This was the whole idea, the purpose behind the bedside organizer. You wanted to say something, Sajita? Please go ahead.
Yeah, I did gift one of these items to my sister-in-law also. So I just wanted to say that. Yeah, and
Yes,
they're using it. They're still using it. Yeah.
Yes,
Lulu, Leila.
But I don't think I have a
Black
picture
and
now
white.
because we were trying to focus on you. Yeah, you want to say something about that gift, Anita?
It was like her sister-in-law's siblings' names also come in that, and I remember I think it was black and white because that's what Leila wanted, if I'm not wrong.
Right.
Great.
Wrong.
So we'll go over that again. The next that I want to share with you. Just a second. I'm just trying to get this organized, and I'm as challenged as all of you as far as some of the technology goes. And sorry. So I think, sorry, all of us have disappeared now. So just wait for a second. Stop sharing. Yeah. And now share screen, application window. Yes. Can you, I think we are all not visible, but let me just sort that out. Sajita, go ahead and talk about this. Anita?
Okay.
Sajita?
No.
Yeah.
No, Sajita, go ahead. Like, I know you wanted these gifts for Nidhi's like your daughter's teachers as a parting gift when they were leaving from one section to the other. You can continue, like.
Okay, so actually you can see in the picture there are 5 pouches. So that is for her favorite teachers, both of them, Nidhi and Siddhi, both are my children. Both of them wanted to gift their teachers, of course not all the teachers, but their favorite teachers. And one of the favorite teachers happened to be a maths teacher. So I just told Anita that this is what I want. I just want to gift one to a maths teacher, which has to be special, and the others can be of any nice ethnic or good fabric. So you can see in the picture there is one written "Thank you raised to N," which was a very, very creative logo or comment or what is a quote on the gift. And I'm sure of course the teacher was so happy. Not only, even if you get a very plain one also, you'll be happy, but having something customized to your subject is a really very great thing of happiness. And her maths teacher was indeed very happy, and really thanks to you.
So I think for that we should say that we dug and kept on asking you what was the topic that she taught which your daughter enjoyed, and then when it came to algebra, I think that was the time when we said, okay, algebra, and then we thought, okay, thank you to the power of n seemed like such a simple solution for that, right? And that is how this particular thing happened. Let me show you the next slide. Anita, Sajita and Anita, right. And we are looking now at, yes. Would you like to talk about this mug rug, please?
Yeah, this is a very special gift. I am actually fall short of words to say, because this was given to my supervisor at the time I was leaving my school, where I was working. And my supervisor happens to be a history teacher. And I had just remember telling Anita that I want something very subtle. It shouldn't be too colorful, and it should be subtle. So she showed me. I cannot tell you. It was difficult to choose from the variety of fabrics that she showed me. It was really difficult, and I finally, I think Anita, you might remember, I came to your house at that time, and I was shocked at the stock of materials that she had, the variety. from which we could choose even a light colored fabric. It was there were so much of options to choose from, and finally we both decided on this. She also helped me choose it. And the wordings, of course, I'm not sure who among three of you choose these right words, but the words are just apt. Apt. It couldn't be better. It couldn't be better.
All credit to Shambhavi, because words, it's only like nobody can come up with something like, you want it long, you have it. You want it short, you have it. You want it short, she has it. So
Even the formula.
I'm so honored. I'm so honored. It is a team effort. Very honestly, to Sajita and to my live audience, it's always a team effort from my side.
Yeah.
And it's I should also say that I'm grateful to God, and I'm grateful to my family, who's always supported these kind of repartees which I come up with and who always laugh. And my poor husband has been suffering for that for a long time. Before we continue further, Sajita, just give me a few minutes to take on a few people who've shown up here. This is Priya Ashok, our cousin. Like I said, family is so important, and you can see the thumbs up signs and the best signs which is given. So thank you, Priya. My mother is here. Saying we use for vegetables. I think that was the point when we were talking about the bags. Then we have Priya, my friend in Dubai, who's also been a friend of SuperGift. Thank you for being here, Priya. My sister wants to say something else, that people I'm seeing here only. Amma, Priya, Meena. SuperGift has become meeting point for all of us. So thank you for that, Sita. Yes, God bless my husband. 3 cheers to SuperGift. Thank you for giving us a lot of support. So actually in this, I don't come to know who are the people who are liking or who are watching, but I can see the people who give comments. So I encourage everybody to please come up and leave a comment for us there, which I can actually go ahead and share. So let me go back to this screen of Sajita, where we were looking at the gift that you gave to your supervisor. And I remember you were very happy, and you said that she was very happy when she received it. And I'm so glad that we are able to touch people's lives with the words that we use, and with personalizing it, because this is always a reminder that you thought of them when you were choosing a gift, and it was not something which just money could buy. And this is one of the most again, Sajita, Anita.
Yeah. Can I just add one more over there in previous slide actually? Yeah, when I gifted it to my supervisor, she immediately wanted to take a picture with me, and then she mounted this on her notice board. So it's like it's there for everyone to see. Whenever anyone enters her room, you can see it on her notice board. I mean, you wouldn't put it on a notice board. She didn't want to use it as a mug rug. She said, "No, I don't want to spill anything on it. It's too beautiful to spoil."
I think that's some reaction which comes with mug rugs, but I would like to say that it is fabric, it's washable, you can reuse it, and you can hang it up to dry. So mug rug is not just a frame to be kept. It's definitely something which can be put to use, because we believe in making things of utility. In
fact, I gifted it to her, telling that you could keep your. I always see you keeping your coffee on your table, so that's why she said no. She was, but I did confirm that it could be washed and all. But yeah, it's okay. Personal choice. Yeah.
What about this, Sajita?
Okay. This is both these are very dear to me. These two gifts. This was the gift I gave to my best friend, who also happened to be my HOD in my school. She was leaving from Dubai, migrating, in fact, to Canada. And I wanted to just gift her something personalized. And of course, I turned to Anita and SuperGift. What I would say about this was there was a lot of discussion over what to be written on the theme, what theme we wanted. So we had to include chemistry, then Dubai, Canada, and I'm so moved, and she was so happy with the personal touch on this cushion and cushion cover. It was amazing, and she was really happy with almost tears in her eyes because it was so beautiful. And she said she would take it to Canada when she goes. So it's really
that is a wonderful feedback. And just quickly for the people who are watching us, This is Dubai, the Burj, and she's flying to Toronto. So we had the Canadian flag. There's a flight here, and make new bonds. The bond is more here deep because chemistry is full of bonds. Remember, the old Toronto is new, Dubai is gold, and this here is Sajita.
Love for tea.
Yeah. This is actually we used to connect with each other through tea in our canteen breaks during our small short breaks that we used to steal from the school time. And we used to. She's a lover of tea, and her name is Divya Dutt, and that's why the DD. And we have the formula of tea inside a conical flask. So how much more personalized could it be? It's got everything.
Yes, that was definitely, and because I'm myself a chemistry student, and so it was such a pleasure to make this because I felt deep, and I love tea. So there's no such thing, so the research was really wonderful, and we enjoyed doing it. So I would like to tell the audience that we do our research. It is very important for SuperGift that we make personalized things, customized. So there's only one piece. And most of the time, actually, we don't even get time to take any good pictures. We do encourage people who take from us to send us pictures of them using it, because that really means that we made something which holds more value than what one would think of in a normal gifting scenario. Sajita, any last words before you leave? Anything you want to say to us or to our audience who's watching us now and who will be watching this later on also?
Yeah. What I would
Sajita?
like to say is SuperGift is your anytime you want to, you think of gifting somebody anything, you can just turn to SuperGift, and it's just amazing the work that you all are doing. How personalized you can get the gift is, there's only one answer or one solution, that is SuperGift. And you all must, you all must, whoever is watching, please recommend to your friends. One more thing I would just like to add, whether it's also important, right? That is, it is very, very affordable. That is, you can customize it to your budget. That is the better way to put it.
Sajita, I didn't want to ask you to say that have we ever maintained the budget, but I'm so glad you brought it up.
Yes. No, I had to say it because I had to say it. Yeah.
What is the budget? We start with this. What is your budget and what is your deadline? If we can't maintain the deadline, we don't take it. And if the budget is something which we cannot afford to make, then we usually tell that we are sorry, we can do only this much within that. So that there is no restriction on the person, or they feel that they got kind of, shortchanged and they had to pay more than what they actually had planned. Because again, gifting is a behavior which every person has a budget for the people who they are gifting to, even if it is for yourself. We all have a ceiling price which we don't want to cross. So we try to maintain that in SuperGift. And I'm so glad you brought it up. Thank you so much, Sajita. Thanks again for coming in on a Saturday morning. I know you have a heavy schedule over the weekend. And thank you so very much. Anita,
thank you so much.
Thank you, Sajita. No, I just want you to show the credit card pouch which we made for you also.
Yeah, that was also that. So I've kept it all here actually. Yeah, this is the. I will just show you. This is also one of the first gifts I can say. See this.
Yeah.
And it's got my alphabet, my S written here. I don't have the pictures of others. Actually, Anita had done one for my mom also, and for my sister-in-law also. So I don't have the pictures. So means they bought it after they liked mine. So that's word of mouth.
Nice. Thank you. So we are actually a family gifting company. It's not just for single. Great. And I think that is what is also our USP, that we have repeat customers. Our customers come back to us. They refer us to people. So thank you so much for doing this for us, Sajita, today. I'm really, we are all very grateful. And Geeta and Anita, on behalf of them, I can say, Anita, one last sentence which you want to say to Sajita before she leaves.
We're always there for you. Whatever be the budget, No. Any gift, anytime for you,
Thank you.
And thanks for always being there.
Thank you so much. Yeah.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you so much, Sajita.
That was good. What do you say?
Yes.
And you still have a long journey to go. So let me start. My husband has this to say that my mother-in-law is also watching. Thank you, Tailama.
Okay, thank you,
And,
Auntie.
I don't know for what, but Sita says, "Oh, so true." So I don't know for what that was, but anyhow. For those of us who just joined, this is Sewer Gift. We are doing a teacher's special session with the gifts that we made specially for teachers or teachers ordered for teachers. We had Sajita with us just now, and anybody who wants to contract us can do so in the link that I'm just sharing in the chat box. Let us go back and quickly run through this now. We've just done this with Sajita and Anita. Quick, Ritu Samhara.
Okay, Ritu Samhara also happened a few years back. Ritu Samhara was a dance program which our good friend, again,
My sister-in-law.
yeah, Shambhavi's sister-in-law, Lalita, organized. She's a dancer, she's a nutritionist. She lives in USA, but she organizes a dance program every year in Dubai, if I'm not wrong. And Ritu Samhara was one of it. And Lalita had contacted us because the students who were dancing belonged to different gurus. So she wanted to give something to the gurus as a note of thanks because so many of their children were participating in her program. So that's how we came up with the idea. There was a budget, of course. We came up with the idea of an organizer. She wanted it to be in raw silk, though it was a little challenging, isn't it, Geeta, to be sewing raw silk. We still went ahead. The color again. I remember Shambhavi and I, we went to hunting for the fabric. We got the fabric, and then the challenge was about what embroidery to put in, because embroidery designs, the ethnic designs are very rare to find, if I'm not wrong. But luckily, I think from embroidery designs, we'd got this mudra, and it just fit in perfect. So we made like close to 8 organizers with the name of each guru mentioned in the embroidery, like in each organizer, the name of different gurus. So that's how I guess Ritu Samhara.
I have Padma Priya Guru and Shashi Mashe. With they sent us pictures. Like I said, pictures are so important for us, especially when people receive them and share with us. It's so important for us. So Geeta, do you remember doing the one which, since Lalita had ordered for all the gurus, we decided to make one for Lalita also.
Lalita also.
And,
that was a surprise. I remember that was a surprise. She did not know it. And on the stage when she went and she saw all those autographs, she was so overwhelmed. And it was...
I have a picture here of her on the screen, and you can see the smile, the very subtle smile, and she's so overjoyed. It was a surprise. All her students signed in on this, and it was a joyful occasion all over. And that was Ritu Samhara, and Sewer Gift. It was the organizer for the dedicated to the Guru. Jayashree was a person who had contacted us, and she wanted a quick gift. Normally, we don't have anything in our inventory. That particular day, we had a strawberry bag, which is what it looks like. Looks like a strawberry, and when you open it up, it's a bag. And she wanted some sling bags for her child who was graduating from nursery, the teachers of that child. And she also had purchased some cutlery pouches from us for the classmates of her son. But she wanted something special, and this was something. But we did not make any special because there was no time. The only thing was, which I would say here, is this fit Jayashree's budget, which was important for us. Like we have been saying that we need to make things which are within budget for people. Geeta?
Yeah, this was a gift made for Madhavi from our building. She was going back to India for good. And we thought of making a gift because she's a teacher, and I remember she had taught my son also math, and we came up with this idea. And I really love the way Shambhavi's written it. Fx minus mx is equal to 0, and F stands for friends, and X stands for seagull, and M stands for Madhavi. And then we all had autographed on it. It was a very beautiful gesture and everybody loved it.
Yes. So, and Madhavi is well remembered. And the sign which everybody did, I think that's great. I love fabric pens, especially when you can use it and when it's an instant gift kind of a thing. That is really nice. Madhavi, I hope sometime later you watch this if you're not watching it now.
Yeah.
I'll move on to the next. Anita, all yours.
Yes, Vipula Shetty, my yoga guru, my guide, more than family, like it's a long list. So Vipula's birthday falls on March 8th, which is Women's Day. And usually it's like, all of us get together and buy something. So this year I wanted to make something very special for her. She has her own yoga institute, which is called the Namaste Yoga Institute, with a tagline which says, "Find you in you." So I was just running around, like looking for designs, browsing around, found Namaste, which was apt. So I just added in the tagline, which is of Namaste Yoga. And the other design that you see, the lotus with which and breathe, that was again like we made the design. So we just took a clip art and through Stitch Artist we've made the design. So it's like customer, this is like done by SuperGift. So I put it on raw silk onto a cushion cover, and I'm sure, like she still she displays it in her home, which is also a yoga studio. So that was a very I'm sure she really she was very happy receiving it, because breathe and Namaste is so close to her or what she does.
And I think for us, because from design to delivery we did this. We do many things design to delivery, and this was one of those which from the design part in using the software special Stitch Artist, which we did. So thank you so much for that, Anita. And let me. This was for again a yoga teacher, Charm Yoga. This was done on a scarf. At some point, we are hoping that the scarf starts collaborating with us when she's ready. And this she wanted to gift to her teacher, the company's a scarf, and that is how Charm Yoga came about. This was on a chiffon, which was done, and she wanted just at the rate of Charm Yoga Dubai. And we are hoping, and maybe we'll announce more once some extra collaboration starts. Anita?
Yes, Guru Vandanam. These gifts were done for as a request from Deepa Vinay, who's again our very, very good customer and dear friend. Deepa wanted to gift something for the gurus, for the Guru Vandanam, the musical concert that happens every year in Dubai. So again, we were looking for what to make, and as Geeta said, like teachers always need a bag, and in fabric, like all the better. So we found the Namaste symbol in.
Yes, and that is how the Guru Vandanam bags, the fabrics were chosen by Deepa, and she wanted some couple of bags which she gifted to her friends, some of them who are gurus also. Yeah. This was again a gift which Deepa Vinay wanted for a school teacher. I think it was her librarian who was leaving, and she wanted an ethnic print, which was the rear of the luggage tag, and she wanted a stylish alphabet, which was chosen in this particular font. And Deepa, like Anita said, she's a very good friend of SuperGift. So thank you for that, for giving us an opportunity. And I do believe that the feedback was very good from the teacher who received it. Rupa, so as I mentioned earlier, that most of our work comes because of referrals. So Rupa Sridhar is actually Deepa Vinay's friend, and she'd also been following SuperGift for a while. We have done many projects for Rupa, and maybe sometime we should call her on a live. This was one project where these three people, that is Bindu, Akila, and Krishnan sir, they were actually gurus of teaching, what should I say, we can't call it really religious, but more like how to lead your life and how to, those kind of lessons, value-based lessons, which these three teachers were teaching the students. And they were closing the sessions, and the students were graduating. So there were 8 of them, I think, who got together, and through Rupa, they had this particular, so one was a mug rug, which is for Akila here. Then there was one pouch which was for Bindu, and this was an organizer for Mr. Krishnan. And these three, you can see their expressions of awe in the picture, which is in the lower one. You can see their expressions. They loved it. They also gave me personal feedback later on saying that we really liked it, which was very nice for us. And it was a successful gifting process. When you do for a group, to satisfy everybody, to make everyone happy, it is always a little bit of a challenge, but it was one which we took up in a very happy way and got very good feedback on that. So sometime later, I hope Bindu or Akila, they're watching this and they are able to say hi to us and give us some feedback maybe on this. One more design to delivery, Anita.
Okay, this was from Uday Lakshmi. She had wanted as the UN Sustainable Sustainability Development Goal. Is that SD? So SDG. So she wanted to give her friend Nitya, who was a part of it. So she gave us a budget and what we could make out of this. So we gave her options, like we could do 2 gifts because it was well enough, like, it could fit 2 items. So we went for a luggage tag and a bag. Again, fabrics chosen by Uday Lakshmi herself. Then it was the main challenge was the design because we didn't have anything readily available. So we had to put in all these blocks, and again, through Stitch Artist, we created this design. It was a little tiring, very challenging, but at the end of it, what came up was really nice because these 16 colors that you see are 16 different threads, different shades, and trying to match it up was like, and as fabric, like how we are mad about fabric, or I'm all like all of us are, thread is another I don't know what to say.
You can't call it fetish right now. That is unparliamentary.
Yeah, anywhere I go, like, the thread shop is like, kind of calling me all the time, like pick me up. So the kind of colors that we have, I was really happy that day because I could match up, all these 16 blocks with different colors. So that's how the SDG came up. And it was very nice to make something like for SDG, the logo, like, from design to delivery, all from our end.
At that point, I would like to say that there is no copyright infringement because we are not selling under the name of SDG or anything. This was just a personal gift which was made on order. And this was something which is entirely the colors which distribution was chosen roughly around by us only. And we did not distort it in any way by putting anything in the center because we're not allowed to do that. So we did not do anything. I would just like to maintain that we are very particular about that we don't infringe on any copyrights of anybody or try to pass off anything else as anybody else's. In fact, even when we buy designs online, we always try to make sure that it is something which can be reproduced and sold again. In fact, I have a whole lot of designs which we purchased, which are not to be for selling designs also. It's only for gifting. So we've not. So I can do that for when we can do for our personal gifts, but we've not had an opportunity to do that. I just want to make sure because especially plagiarism, copyright, infringement, and all are very vital words, and they have a lot of repercussions, and people should be careful how they reproduce material. So we are very careful on that in SuperGift. And I think being from academic background and from business background, we take care of that. This is for the audience who's listening about it, that if it's, we are not going to sell anything under the name of any particular brand. Anita?
Okay, my daughter Meera wanted a gift for her science teacher. Her favorite science teacher. Science is I don't know like if she's asked me ever for a gift for a teacher. And Alice ma'am was so close to her, such a nice teacher. So when she was leaving 8th grade, she wanted me to make something for her teacher. So that's how it came up. Like thanks to Shambhavi, I think. It just popped out of my head. Alice in Wonderland, what better? And for a science teacher, plants to the bulb, to the beaker, to the test tube, to the molecules, all that, put together. I made an organizer for her and gifted it. And Meera was very happy, which is very important. And the science teacher, I'm sure, like she was very overwhelmed receiving that gift.
I'm just looking at a comment. I don't know the gentleman, Gopi Krishnan
That's
Nair.
Sajita's husband. Thank you, Gopi.
Okay, thank you. Thank you very much for that. All right, I think we will very soon be able to do with this session. Let me move on to what am I sharing here? Share screen, application window. Yes, yes. Okay, so after Alice in Wonderland, and I must say, Anita and Geeta, both of you also have started thinking on those lines. So don't give all the credit to me, okay? You have also started thinking like what would best choose. And I think when we keep our customer in mind and the recipient, we automatically are able to follow the guidelines. This one was made by Anita for a math teacher. It landed up with my daughter Ananya's math teacher. And you can see all the symbols which one would use in math. And it all added up well with you around. Ananya is not very happy that her math teacher is leaving the school. And she wanted to give, like, very rare that we give something to teachers because it's not supposed to be done also. But any case, here the occasion and the relationship which she has shared with her teacher demanded that. So it's an organizer, and these are the words on it. Yes, so I have here Purvaja's gift which we had made. Anita, would you?
Yes, Sita. Sita, again, Shamvi's sister, one of our very favorite customers, very like, I don't know. I think we would have done the maximum gifts for Sita, if I'm not wrong. So Sita's daughter Purvaja, she was leaving school and she wanted to gift something for her teacher. So that's how, again, we came up with the words and the Namaste symbol. I think this is the second time that we were using it. So it all, like, added.
Sorry, 1 second. I would like to say that the words here were given by Sita herself, who's a
Herself.
teacher.
Yes,
So,
yes,
yeah,
yes.
so let us give that credit to her.
Yeah, credit to Sita, definitely.
She chose these words as a teacher, and it was 10 pieces, I think, which we made. Teachers who love teaching, teach children to love learning. And I think as a teacher for her, these words were very important, to motivate the teachers who've been teaching. Sometimes it can be a thankless job. So Sita wanted this, and Purvaja gifted, and the feedback which we got was really amazing from Sita about what the teachers said about it. And let me I just want to quickly look. Maybe she's here and giving us a comment. No, she's not here. Okay, it's all right. I just wanted to. Yes. And so we move on now. These were, if you remember, some clear pouches which were made during the examination time. And many teachers also got. In fact, I remember Priya, a friend of yours, Anita.
Yes.
And friend of Sue Gift also. She ordered, I think, 10, 15 of them,
yeah,
maybe.
10, 15 of them, kind of. Yes,
yes. The importance of this is, if you remember, Geeta, that in school for the 10th and 12th, in fact, even 9th grade, the students were supposed to carry their stationery in transparent bags. Yeah? Yes. And that is how we came about doing this. Of course, it has also been used for keeping cosmetics by many people. And as we are so good at personalizing, this fabric on top was personalized for many people. I remember some purple color, and I remember some other, yeah. Any specific thing which you remember, Anita, which you want to share?
No, purple I remember. Purple and black, blue, because boys, they didn't want any orange and pink. So, they wanted few of this color, few of that color. So I think some orders which we did were like, color based. So it was just adding that strip according to their choice.
think it got stuck. No.
No.
Only we both can talk, I think, Anita.
Yes.
I think Shambhavi has got some problem there. And now we can see you moving.
Yeah, no problem. Quickly say bye. That's all.
Yeah.
We just about saying bye.
Bye until we meet again with the new agenda, like teachers.
New
No,
topic.
yes, actually.
Yes.
Bye.
And thank you to both of you who all are teachers also.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye. Good day.
Bye.
Take care. Bye-bye. Bye to all the audience who's watching us and to all the audience
Thank
who's
you.
going to be watching us later. Thank you and bye from
Bye.
Suagift and Partners in Creativity in Suagift.
Thank you.